Hello everyone, as promised I have a couple masculine cards made from and inspired from contents in the Your Creative Studio box subscription. This box that I used was from July, and I used some scrap paper that I have from Kaisercraft, just stuff I had in my stash. This was nice and it's a library type themed one, so I thought it was masculine. And we're going to see some creative ideas for using a circle die for this purpose. So let's go ahead and start with the first card. Which one should I do? I don't know. We'll go with this one. Alright, so this one uses this paper I was talking about here, and then let's get in close. All of these beautiful stickers, vellum stickers, came from the box. Have some circle dies, and then this I did a circle die and then just a circle punch out of the center, which I thought kind of looks like a tire. Can you see that? And so we got kind of lots of circles going on here in the theme, and then this one's totally bicycle themed, antique bicycle themed. So that is the first masculine card. I love how that turned out. And the next one, let's get the whole card here, is using, again, circle dies, and I've layered them. And then this one here, I've layered 4 circles. 2 of them are dies, and, or there's 5. I can't even count, right? No, there's 4. 2 of them are dies, yes, and 2 of them are punches. So the die I have does a stitched outline, the circle die. I'm having trouble counting that. And then I had this embossing folder that does these license plates, and I had already had that in this craft color already out, and then I just used black soot to kind of emphasize the pattern there. And then we have 1, 2, 3 of these stickers, and then a 4th sticker is the car. And let's get nice and close so you can see the detail. There's a bit of a sheen because they're these vellum stickers, but yeah. And that is my second masculine card. Love how these turned out. And here is another, when I was trying to work out the tire, I did end up getting a reference for a tire and some advice from my husband. But, you know, I don't think it has to be perfect either. You get the idea, and also the theme with the repetition of the circles is in there anyway. There's the circle of the tire, there's the circles behind, and then my sort of die cut tire. So great ways to use some basic punches or dies that usually people have in their stash and add an extra special element to a card. So I hope you like seeing these 2 masculine cards and how to think outside the stationery box for card makers, because lots of those goodies for journals are great for cards too. I hope you enjoyed seeing it today. I hope you'll stay tuned, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because I do a lot of cards and a lot of journal stuff, as well as some art journal and some art subscription items as well. Have a great creative day. Bye!